How energy efficient are ductless mini split air conditioners? Ductless mini split systems are among the most energy efficient cooling options available today. They eliminate energy loss from ductwork and use inverter technology to adjust output based on demand. That means they use less electricity while keeping your home consistently comfortable. On the lower Eastern Shore, especially near Salisbury, Maryland, humidity and long cooling seasons can increase energy use. Ductless systems allow you to cool only the rooms you are using, helping reduce energy waste and lower utility bills. If you are looking to improve efficiency and reduce energy costs, connect with Coastal Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning to find out if a ductless mini split system is right for your home.